Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here, and I've already done another video on this, and this is a few years ago, and I needed to do it again. That's my little tool. It's very inexpensive. You get it at one of the big box hardware stores, and that is what came out of my shower drain, and that would be enough to clog it up so it doesn't drain good. All you do is you loosen up this screw and you pull a short length out. You start shoving it down the hole. I'm going to imagine now I'm shoving a short length of it down the hole, and then you twist, and then you pull another foot out, shove it, twist it, pull another foot out, shove it, twist it, and that is about 6 feet. Yeah, about 6 feet. I went down in there, and keep twisting all the time, and you can twist a little bit as you come out also. And the little pigtail on the end, I'll show you. Okay, there. This is what I call the little pigtail on the end. That's what grabs the hair, and as you twist it, the hair kind of moves up the pigtail a little bit. But anyway, it grabs and holds onto it real good, and then you pull it out. So now I'm going to run some water, see how it drains. Yesterday there was like about an inch of water in here, and it was draining very slowly. So you might have to do this every year, or every 2, 3, 4 years. I think I have not done this actually in 5 or 6 years, but it depends on how much you or your partners or whoever sheds hair, because some of it goes down the drain even though you've got a little cover on that. There's a little cover I took off, 2 little Phillips head screws. So I hope this helps you out. You can do it yourself. You don't need to call a plumber. Save yourself a couple $100. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click the bell if you want notification. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. I'll put a link to that tool in the comments. Bye.